Here's our chocolate chips cookie with nuts and cranberries. So hello guys, here's our ingredients for our cookie. Actually, we have 2 cups of the base is 2 cups of brown sugar, uh, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup chocolate chips semi-sweet, 1 cup margarine, you can use butter here, 1 cup almond, 1 cup mixed nuts like walnut, and I will add dried cranberry here, 1 teaspoon salt, vanilla, baking soda. I will add 1/4 cup of oats and 1/4 cup of olive oil and 3 eggs. So we'll start mixing now the the margarine and the brown sugar. In this mixing bowl, I will add this margarine, 1 cup. You can use butter. You can manual this one, you just cream the sugar and margarine, but I will use a mixer for this. There, I'm using this mixer. So it's look like that. Now we will add the egg one by one. Egg there, one by one. Then we will beat. Here I scrape so that it will be mixed well. I will add the second egg after that. We'll add the second egg. Then we beat. Now we're adding the third egg. So we're adding third egg, and then we beat that one. So it's cream already like that. Now we're adding the flour. Here the flour, we add bicarbonate soda, baking soda, and salt, and we will mix that one. Yeah, we will mix that one. Here we add our vanilla. The vanilla, and we will add the oil, olive oil. Then now we will add gradually, spoon by spoon, the flour. Then we beat. Continue doing like that. Then continue doing like that. Slowly, slowly the flour, adding that one, and then continue. So it's look like that now, our butter. We remove it there. So now guys, we're adding our chocolate chips, then our nuts, then this one, oats, and that. Then we will mix this one. We will just mix well. My husband guys likes a lot of chocolates, so we will add more chocolates. So I will add more 1 cup chocolate. So now guys, we're adding another 1 cup. Yeah, and mix all together. So 2 cups of chocolate now. Hershey's. Yeah. We will preheat the oven now, because we will bake this one for 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. I will preheat the oven now. We preheat the oven 350 degree Fahrenheit. This cookie you can put this one in the ref for 1 hour, but this time I want to cook it direct. Once the oven is ready, I will cook this directly. Okay, so I don't have ice cream scoop. I use 2 spoons. I use just like that. Putting here 1, another big cookie. Two, yeah, can be 3. Yes, and then we continue. So that's our cookie, guys, ready to put in the oven once the oven is preheated. Once the oven is already heat, because it's preheated now. Now we're putting the cookie now in the oven, guys. Put that one in the middle of the oven. So our cookie, guys, look like that after 10 minutes. Then we will transfer that one here. Okay, it's normal that it's like that. It's still wet, that's why it's chewy in the inside and crunchy outside. That's the secret why it's baked only 10 minutes. As you can see there at the edge, it's already brown, so it's cooked already, that one, guys. There's no worry, you can eat that one when it's cold. Oh, I broken it. And be very careful with the what's that, the chocolate, because it's very hot, really hot. Okay, we're tasting now, guys. My husband, it's 1 hour already passing. Did you see the chocolate there? Wow. And it's chewy, that one, and crunchy outside. Yummy. You want to eat, honey?
No. I ate
How
two
many?
already.
Oh, you eat 2 already, me, so I eat 2. Okay. So it's good morning, guys. Last night we're checking if our chocolate cookie with nuts is good. I show you now. It's morning already here. It's just the chocolate are not that melt already, but it's very soft. It's very soft, that one. Yeah. Okay, now we're keeping that into the box. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all.